Well, we get to what's happening in Parliament in just a bit, but here's what's happening within the Aam Aadmi Party. The war getting uglier. Prashant Bhushan, 3 days after the show cause notice was served by the Kejriwal faction within the Aam Aadmi Party to 4 of the leaders, has come out and hit out at Arvind Kejriwal. In his response, he's made direct charges. Prashant Bhushan making direct charges against 2 Kejriwal loyalists, Ashish Khaitan and Pankaj Gupta, and serious charges at that.
Ashish Khaitan, he was a blue-eyed boy of Mr. Prashant Bhushan. He used to write poetries for him. He used to write all kinds of things for him. He used to say that he's the best and the most honest journalist he has ever met. And now since he's on the other side, you find reasons to blame him that he's corrupt.
But he's allowed to raise questions. He's allowed to raise questions.
It's not raising questions. It's an attempt for character assassination. And that's what I'm saying, Mr. Prashant Bhushan, don't do this. You are making yourself a laughing stock. Don't do this, because this will harm you in the long run, not Ashish Khaitan, because whole world knows Ashish Khaitan is one of the most courageous and the honest journalist.
But clearly Bhushan says he's very strong with his opinions. He knows there is enough evidence. He knows that he's going to back it. The question really is, why do you think Bhushan is really making it? He definitely says
either he should prove it, or he should tender a public apology.
But Ashutosh sir, here it is very damaging for the party again to come back to the same fold. As of now, has the party been able to address these issues? The issue is very simple. Pankaj Gupta, Ashish Khaitan, you are also involved with allegations. Party doesn't take that into consideration, removes us, removes Admiral Ramdas. Do you think the party has been evading
the
this?
questions have been answered. Now what is the big question? The big question is, these are gentlemen who talk about the processes and institutions. When the PSC, they were in minority in PSC, they discredited PSC. When they were in minority in National Executive, they discredited and disrespected. When they were in minority in National Council, they disrespected and discredited National Council. Now they are trying to discredit disciplinary committee. That shows their respect for democracy and majority opinion. And that also proves that they wanted Aam Aadmi Party to behave like their puppet. When Aam Aadmi Party refused to do that, now they are showing their frustrations and making themselves a laughing stock.
दूसरा मैंने ये बताया है कि इसमें 2 लोग ऐसे हैं, पंकज गुप्ता और आशीष खैतान, जिन्होंने उनमें से कई आरोप जो मेरे ऊपर लगाए गए हैं, इन दोनों ने खुद लगाए थे कुछ दिन पहले। तो वही हमारे चार्ज लगाएंगे और वही उसका फैसला करेंगे। ये तो किसी भी न्याय पद्धति में नहीं होता। तीसरा मैंने ये बताया है कि इन्हीं लोगों के खिलाफ बहुत सीरियस चार्ज लगे थे। पंकज गुप्ता के खिलाफ 2 करोड़ के चेक लेने का फर्जी कंपनियों से, और नेशनल डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी के फैसलों को इम्प्लीमेंट ना करने का, क्योंकि उन्होंने संजय सिंह के कहने पर, क्योंकि उनके लोगों के खिलाफ डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन का तय किया गया था उस नेशनल डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी से, जिसका कि मैं चेयरमैन था, तो इसलिए उन्होंने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया। और आशीष खैतान के खिलाफ एक एसआर के फेवर में तहलका के मैगजीन में 2G वाले मामले में एक आर्टिकल लिखने का, जिसके बाद ये पता लगा कि उस समय 3 करोड़ रुपए एसआर कंपनी ने तहलका को दिए थे अपने गोवा में थिंक फेस्ट के लिए। तो वो पेड न्यूज जैसा आर्टिकल है। और ये सब मामले पंकज गुप्ता के खिलाफ और आशीष खैतान के खिलाफ कायदे से लोकपाल को जाने चाहिए थे, लेकिन लोकपाल को नहीं भेजे गए और लोकपाल को हटा दिया गया।